Tinubu, I must abuse you. Tinubu, number 1, Ogun Okiyapa. Tinubu number 2, Ogun Okiyama. Tinubu number 3, Ogun Okiya your children. Tinubu number 4, Ogun go bury all your family.
Hundreds of protesters in Jos, the capital of Plateau State, gathered on Sunday along Bauchi Road, issuing a stern ultimatum to business owners to join their protest on Monday or cease operations. The protesters emphasized that this action is intended to safeguard their properties. Expressing dissatisfaction with President Bola Tinubu's Sunday address, which they felt did not adequately address the nation's pressing issues, the protesters announced plans to mobilize more participants to voice their concerns to the government. They see the protest as the only viable means to communicate their grievances. The demonstrators, a mix of adults and young people, marched through various streets carrying placards, leaves, and flags from different countries, declaring, "No business tomorrow." Everyone should come out tomorrow for the protest. Their primary demands include the removal of the fuel subsidy and improved security measures across the country. In his address, President Tinubu ruled out the reinstatement of the fuel subsidy. He acknowledged the decision to remove the subsidy was difficult, but argued it was necessary to remove what he described as a noose around the economic jugular of our nation, impeding economic development and progress. I therefore took the painful yet necessary decision to remove fuel subsidies and abolish multiple foreign exchange systems, which had constituted a noose around the economic jugular of our nation and impeded our economic development and progress, Tinubu stated. According to Igbo Heritage TV, the protest in Plateau has remained peaceful with no significant incidents of violence reported.